Bald Knob Cross is a landmark familiar to most anyone who has spent time in southern Illinois. Thousands of people visit the cross west of Alto Pass each year, whether it's to worship or to just enjoy the breathtaking view from the 1,000-foot peak of Bald Knob Mountain. But infighting that erupted in 2006 between members of the board that oversees the cross put a halt to badly needed maintenance work for several years. The 111-foot structure, a steel frame clad in steel-reinforced porcelain panels and Illinois marble, fell into disrepair. The legal battle over the cross's future came to an end in December of 2008. A new board hopes to raise $300,000 to restore the cross to its original luster. Work is already underway, but in the meantime, the cross looks very different from the way most people remember it.